iAngelBabyNails channel. This is Angel Baby coming at you with another video, and this time I'm going to be doing an update on what's going on with iAngelBabyNails, so stay tuned for the video.
Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at iAngelBabyNails. Subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit that bell button to receive notifications on when I upload.
Congratulations to iAngelBabyNails channel. We made over 100 subscribers. Thank you so much, and shout out to all my subscribers who've been subscribing to my channel since the first day I started to now. I'm so happy that you guys are liking my videos and I'm sharing my talents, and I hope you guys are finding my videos helpful. To all the fellow nail technicians out there and those who are beginners, I am so proud of you guys. Keep up the good work, and whatever video you guys want me to do, comment below and I will do them to help you guys out on any areas that you need help on. So just comment below and I will do my best to make those videos. When I first started my YouTube channel, I never thought that I could make even that little milestone of 100 subscribers. So that just goes to show you guys that whatever you put your mind to, it will work. I've been working so hard. I've been recording as much as I can while I'm doing my clients just to show you guys how to do them. Thank you to all my clients, and shout out to all my clients because they support iAngelBabyNails, and that's the biggest deal to me. I appreciate all those who support my brand and my business. Thank you guys so much. Alrighty, so I'm going to announce 3 major events that are coming up that iAngelBabyNails will be participating in. So if you are in the South Florida area, or you are a client or a future client that want to come out and support, please come out and support, because there will be a lot of prizes, there will be a lot of giveaways, so make sure you come out and support. And yeah, so the first event that I'm doing is on September 12th. It is hosted by TJ Hope. That is my girl. She runs these poetry events. She is an author and she's just an amazing person overall. It is located at 4519 North Pine Island Road, Sunrise, Florida 33351. I will be linking the addresses below and events below just in case you guys want to come out. The next event is on September 27th. It's called Eargasms. It's located at the same location. It is their 2-year anniversary, so make sure you come out, get a drink. Come see iAngelBabyNails vendor booth and just support the poetry that you will see. It's really fun. I attended a couple of their events, but this time I'm going to be a vendor, so I'm super excited and super happy to be a part of that. So make sure you come out. Again, the address is 4519 North Pine Island Road, Sunrise, Florida 33351. Alrighty, so the next one is on September 28th. That's Cloud 9. It is located at 7126 Sterling Road, Hollywood, Florida 33024. That one is gonna be on, like I said, September 28th from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. and the other 2 are gonna be from 7 p.m. to 11. So don't forget, September 12th, 27th, 7 to 11. It's gonna be from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. and that's gonna be hosted by my girl Toy. So make sure you come out and support. And the one on September 28th is called LGBT Community. So just come out and support all 3 events, September 12th, 27th, and the 28th. So please come out and support iAngelBabyNails. I will be there, the booth will be there, and trust me, it's going to be something you don't want to miss. And yeah, like I said, I will be linking all the addresses, times, and all information down below. Okay, if you know iAngelBabyNails, you know we support other women and their businesses. So I'm gonna shout out a few of these wonderful, beautiful women who have their own businesses and they're bosses and they support iAngelBabyNails, and I always support them. So I'm gonna shout them out. So just I will leave all their information in the description below, so make sure you check them out. And here we go. All right, so the first beautiful woman I want to shout out to is my girl Thea. She does resumes. It's called the pop-up effect, so make sure you check her out. She's really dope. She can get you a great job in the field that you would want, and she does cover letters. She does a whole bunch of things, so make sure you check her out. It's at the pop-up effect. She is on Facebook at Alethia Saunders. And don't kill me if I'm saying your last name wrong. The second woman I want to shout out to is my girl Desiree. She does handmade soaps and she has eyelashes. Her Instagram is at BRATZ Miami. I remember I went to a vendor event with her and she gave me a sample of her soaps, and it was really good. It's like A1, guys, and her lashes are beyond dope. So make sure you check her out. She is amazing. Check her out. Okay, so last but not least is my girl Toy. She has two businesses. So the first one is BNC Fashion Boutique, which is so dope. Like, you like Fashion Nova? Forget Fashion Nova. She got the really latest dresses, fashions, just everything is really dope. Dresses are, I gotta go to, get this stuff. Hot girl summer ready for this body, for that was clothes. I'm just joking. But no, her boutique is really dope, so check her out. And also she does alcohol, gummies, and drinks, and it's called Successful TasteBuds. It looks so good and it will definitely get you drunk, so make sure you check her out when it comes to both of her businesses. And all three of these women are really dope, and just check them out. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please make sure that you are subscribing to my YouTube channel at iAngelBabyNails. Make sure you are following me on Instagram and Facebook at iAngelBabyNails, and stay tuned for some dope videos. And remember, comment below on what you want to see. Thank you and have a blessed day.